To sell or not to sell? I know. It is so crazy and scary, especially right now, to know what to do. Should you wait? Because is the market going to be going up? Is it going to be going down? What should you do? Well, here's the deal. I find myself in that exact same predicament, and as an experienced agent, I ask the same question. So here's a trick of what I did to myself and a strategy we walk our sellers through when we meet with them. Hi everyone, my name is Travis Poland, your Littleton real estate guy with the Acre Group at Berkshire Hathaway. Truth be told, no one has a crystal ball, and not even me. But here are some sort of things I discuss with my sellers when I meet with them. Number one, do you have to sell? If you've got a job transfer or going through a divorce, or the only option is selling, well then, selling is probably a really good option. Number two, if you were to sell right now and be able to walk away with an X amount of money, would you be happy with that? And the reverse is true as well. If the market dropped $30,000 to $40,000, would that make a significant difference in the ability for you to move? If the answer is yes, and you really want to sell, well, it may not make sense to risk riding out the market, and you should get out while you can and be happy with the proceeds that you have made. Also, understanding that it is all relevant. If you are buying and selling at the same time in the same area, if you sell high, you're going to be buying high. However, if you are selling now, and let's say you're selling in a hot market and moving out of the area where it is also super hot, would it make sense to possibly wait a few months to see exactly what is going to happen and see what the market does and test out the area that you would like to move to? All of these factors have an impact on whether or not selling is going to be the best option for you. There are a lot more things to discover, and after probing and asking a few pertinent questions, we will be able to advise to our best ability. So, if you are contemplating and just not sure what to do or need some support and guidance, give us a call here at the Acre Group, as we are always here to help you. Many times, getting an opinion from a professional who has helped hundreds of people navigate the selling process just like you, it just helps to take some of the burden off. We look forward to hearing from you, and as always, remember, thoughts become things, so make sure that they're good ones. I will see you very shortly on the next one.